This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jen Freeman and Leah Cruz. Simply stunning sunsets. Here's the Birch Bay gem you've been waiting for. Flexible floor plan creates a fantastic work from home scenario or vacation rental opportunity in this sought-after beach location. 2010 construction features upscale finishes, maple hardwood and laminate flooring, granite counters, custom cabinetry with soft close drawers, under cabinet lighting, movable kitchen island, cozy gas fireplace, 9 and vaulted ceilings, heat pump, super insulated, 18x14 Trex deck / stairs and Hardie siding. Designed to maximize the water views from all levels, you'll love the delightful bay plus sunset views from the main level deck or take a break on the lower level private patio accessed from the ideal home office / bonus space with wet bar. For more information,